Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today is going to be a makeup tutorial. I'm back with the glam. So I'm very excited. This is going to be the most easiest way to get a smoky eye without having to do too much. And I promise, even if it seems like it is a lot, it is very easy, and it could be very messy. This look can be very messy, but just taking a couple of more seconds just to blend, it'll be bomb as freaks. So yeah, we'll just jump right into this tutorial. Alright, so before we get started, of course, we have to clip our bangs out of our way. And I am going to be doing my eyebrows and then my face first before we do eyeshadow, which is surprising because usually when you do a smoky eye, you don't do your face first. It's like a rule. Never do your face before a smoky eye, but this time we're going to do our face before. Starting off, I'm going to be priming my face, prepping my face, letting that primer be able to sink in so that when I do my brows and then go in with my foundation, I don't have to wait in between. So the primer that I'll be using is the AOA Studio Pore Filling Primer, and then I'll be spritzing my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I am just a moisture girl. I love moisture, so anytime I can spray a setting spray or any type of essence, I will. That's just it's me. I love skincare. I love spraying. No, I'm not gonna say that, but anyways, now we're gonna be going on to brows, and surprisingly, I've been using this brow pen by LA Girl. And you guys, I know I shared this like about 2 months ago. I did a whole review on it. It was my first time ever trying a brow pen, and I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna like it. I really didn't know how to use it, but I tried it that first time, and you guys, I've been obsessed ever since. Obsessed ever since. I haven't used any other brow pen. Well, I have used other brow products, of course, but I don't do my brows without this brow product. So after I do use this pen, I will go in with the Maybelline Express Brow Pencil, and I'll be shading in my brows where I didn't create brow hairs because I don't want the more natural looking brow. I do want it to be like I have a good brow with some shading. But yeah. Now I am going to be going back in and fixing up my brows once I'm already almost done with my makeup, because powder can fall into them and all that good stuff. So I'm not going to set it with a brow gel right now. So right now I'm going to be cleaning up my brows with the J-Cat concealer. Absolutely love that concealer. I did love it for my under eyes for a while, and although I do still, it is a little bit heavy. This concealer is perfect for the under eyes if I'm going to an event, though. I don't want to use anything that I know that's going to melt down or break down quickly, because this concealer is like bomb. Bomb.com. Absolutely love. So you know that this will not be a makeup video of mine if I didn't mix two foundations. The two foundations today are the Milani Conceal and Perfect, and also the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Wear. So fun fact, I film on my phone and somebody called me and I ignored the call, but I guess they left a voicemail and it stopped my camera footage. So I didn't get to see, well, you don't get to see me blend out my foundation, but thankfully I noticed just in time. And now I'm going to be doing my concealer. For my face concealer, I'll be using the L'Oreal True Match concealer. It's the more newer one. It has the quote-unquote iron-shaped like applicator. I don't know about all that, but I still enjoy that concealer. And once I blend that out, I will be going to go ahead and set it with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Banana Loose Powder. And I actually did 2 layers of this concealer underneath my eyes, because I use this concealer when I use my more natural foundations or like skin tints and things like that. But this is my first time using this concealer with my more full coverage foundations, and I felt like it was just too light of a coverage, so I needed to go with the second layer underneath the eyes. So the same thing happened again, you guys. Somebody called me and yada yada yada. I lost the footage of me doing my under eye eyeliner, but I wanted to show you guys. I was dying. My eyes were watering so hard. In a couple of clips beforehand, my eyes were perfectly fine. They were white, clear, nothing wrong. Then it looked like I went a zombie on people, and my eyes were like so bloodshot and so teary because it was so ticklish underneath my waterline trying to apply these eyeliners. They're very smooth, they're very creamy, they don't tug at all. But girl, I was tearing up. It was so ticklish. I didn't understand. Maybe it's because I don't wear makeup as often, but I really need to train my eyes again because this was ridiculous. But yeah, so I used the Nude Essence gel eyeliner in my inner corner to middle of my eye, and then I used the dark brown eyeliner on the outer corner to the middle of my eye. So half of my lower lash line, my waterline, is nude and the other half is brown. Now, I know you're going to be looking at me like, girl, you said this is the easiest smoky eye, and trust me, it is. Right now, I'm going to be applying the base of our smoky eye. I'm just using any eyeliner. You can use a pencil, you can use a liquid, you can use a gel. Your wing doesn't need to be perfect at all because it's going to get covered up. This is just going to be the darkness that's underneath. And then once I apply that eyeliner and let it dry for a second, I'll go in with my cream bronzer and I'll start blending on top of that eyeliner. This cream bronzer does have a good amount of pigment to it, so it is actually going to cancel that eyeliner out a lot. But since the eyeliner is black, it's going to add a nice shadow underneath, so it's not something that you have to worry about so much. And yeah, this eyeshadow look is very, very forgiving. I kid you not. Here I am just continuously blending all over my lid, and then I'll be going in with my Rim Beauty. You don't have to use this. You can honestly use a bronzer palette, which is what I grabbed later on, but I'm going to be taking the darkest shade in that, and I'm going to be setting my contour, my cream contour. So whether you do this with eyeshadow or you do it with a contour palette, it just has to be a powder so that it's able to set the cream. And now I'm going to be taking my bronzer palette and I'm going to be using the third to darkest shade and using that as a transition shade and to further blend out all of this smoky brownness. And as you can see, bam, easiest smoky eye. You don't have to worry about so much fallout because you're not even using a lot of powdered eyeshadows at all. You're mainly using creams and you're setting your creams with powder before it dries down. It's just absolutely perfect. So now I'm going to be taking the light creamy shade and applying that to my brow bone. This whole look also is matte, which I very enjoy. Matte eyeshadows are also very forgiving as well. So either do an all matte or an all shimmer look if you really don't know how to really do your makeup. And you don't need to mix it and make it all complicated. Either do all shimmery or do it all matte. And now I'm just going to be taking the darkest shade and applying that to my lower lash line to just marry the top and the lower lash line together. Now when my eyes were tearing up, my lower lash line had got a little bit damp, and I don't know if you guys could see the separation of my powder and my lower lash line, but you just have to be a little bit patient, let it dry, and if you need to fix it later on, then you'll need to, but if not, you don't need to. Now for mascara, I'll be using the Essence Lash Without Limits mascara. I've really been enjoying this mascara. I've loved it for a while. My only complaint is that this plastic applicator, it has nothing to do with the manufacturer or like the company itself. It's just me. For some reason, when it comes to plastic wands, I am more likely to stab myself in the eye. I don't know what it is, but it just always happens from time to time, and it's crazy. So now I'm going to be taking that same cream bronzer and I'll be applying that all over my face for my contour. So you can also have these products and they be multi-purpose use. You can simply just use a cream contour on your lid, set it with a little bit of powder bronzer, and then use that same cream contour all over your face. You don't need a million products to have a great makeup look is what I'm trying to say. For blush, I will be using the what is this? This is the Juvia's Place Saharan Volume 1 palette, and I'll be using the pink and the orange mixed together and lightly applying that onto my cheeks. Now for my nose highlight, I will be using, this is the Makeup Revolution new highlighter. I think it's golden something. I do like this highlighter. I don't love it, but it's cute or whatever. I do prefer my Milani highlighters a lot more, but this is still good for what you need it. I am no longer a highlighter all over the face girl, so I don't need the most blinding highlighter out there anyways. Now you could simply just leave the look as it is with mascara. I think it looks very beautiful, especially if it's more in the daytime, but lashes change everything. Depending on what type of lash you go for, it can really make your basic smoky eye look way more glam. But yeah, so since I did already do my face, I am going to go ahead and touch up my brows, see where I need to add more pigment to after they have already settled, after doing all my face makeup and all that good stuff. And then I'll finally be using my brow gel. And this brow gel is the L'Oreal Infallible Brow Gel. I made it sound, there's a whole long name, but I can't think of the whole long name right now. And these are the lashes I'm using. They're more glam, they're more dramatic, and that's exactly what I wanted to go for with this look. Now for lip liner, I am going to be using the AOA Studio. This is the shade Pony. I loved these lip liners, and I still do love these lip liners. I kind of like them more now. I don't hate them though. I don't think they're a bad product at all, but I do notice that they are a little bit crumbly, especially compared to my other lip liners that I've been trying as of recently. But nonetheless, if you're still looking for a very affordable couldn't speak. If you're still looking for a very affordable lip liner that's under $2, this is a great option. So while I wait for my lashes to get tacky, I will do my lip liner, and that's just to save some time. And yeah, so you'll see me apply my lashes in a few more seconds. For applying my lashes, I will continue back to my lips. So I will be using the Morphe. This is the, I think it's Ultimate Matte something matte lipsticks, and this is in the shade Confess. I haven't used this shade a lot, but you guys, this color combination was really hitting it for me. In the center of my lips, I'll be using the L'Oreal matte lip crayon in hold on, I have to go back because I need to I didn't remember. The lip pencil name was Tres Sweet. Absolutely love that combination. So I actually forgot to do my nose contour, which is crazy. Usually I do it with my face makeup, but I just forgot today. But thankfully I remembered, or I noticed it before I was done. And then to set all of this in, we're going to be using the e.l.f. Stay All Fine Micro Setting Spray. Love the setting spray. I've really been loving the setting spray. I didn't have the highest hopes about it, or not even just that, but I didn't think it was going to really do much. But honestly, I do see the difference. See the difference now. But yeah, that is the end of my makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below what you guys would like to see next, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you guys try out this stuff, don't forget to send me pictures. I would love to interact with you guys, especially more on glam. I absolutely love it around here. It is very much my therapy, and I'm very happy that I'm getting back to it, and that's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional.